This is a water jet. This machine will take the water up to 60,000 psi, and as it comes through that nozzle right there, it's going to introduce this garnet, and it looks just like sand. Okay? Please touch it.
Can you eat it?
No, you can't.
Why?
Are you hungry? Do I need to get you something to eat? It's going to take it up to 60,000 psi. It's going to introduce that garnet, and it's going to cut through. Remember that piece of steel we started out looking at upstairs? That shape? That shape, then we looked at it on the machine.
Oh, yeah.
Then we looked at it on the computer. That's the machine that cut that shape out. This started out as a flat piece of stock, and it was cut on the water jet with all these notches, and then Corey brought it over here, and he bent it up to make that shape.
As part of the Career Tech Agricultural Education Program, we are hosting a manufacturing day today with some local partners. We're partnering with Chattahoochee Technical College, Georgia Tech, as well as Wintech, which is a local manufacturing firm. Today we've had over 150 of our middle and high school students visit Wintech for a tour, as well as to learn about post-secondary options and look at careers in manufacturing. They had an opportunity to look at STEM-related fields, robotics, visit with the employees here at Wintech and learn more about all the different types of careers related to manufacturing.
Everything I saw was actually really interesting to me. What I thought really outstanding was probably that jet blade or that water blade or whatever, because it could cut through metal and everything with just water, but I think that would be interesting to me.
I think it's really interesting to be able to go into a factory and see how all these things we use in our daily lives are made and all the meticulous hard work that goes into it. And well, it was just really interesting because I've never seen anything like it before.
It's good exposure for them just to see how things are made, how we take a drawing. You can take just a drawing that has dimensions on it, and we can take that information, program it into a machine to actually manufacture, take a raw piece of metal and manufacture it into something that might be an aircraft part or a gun part or some type of component for something that somebody's going to need, whether it's medical or aerospace or whatever.
A lot of the opportunities they have to work with Wintech, we teach them through the academics and through our continuing education and economic development department. So as I said, it's a great chance for them to be able to get in here and see where the jobs are going for today and tomorrow in the future.
We also had Congressman Laudermilk here to speak with our students. He was a part of the tour, as well as had an opportunity to speak with them about fields in manufacturing.
Well, I think what the children that are and the kids that are visiting here today will be able to see is that there are career fields such as this that are extremely important not only to our economy, not only to our culture in America, but it's important to national defense, such as some of the parts that they make here go on the F-35 and the F-22 fighter plane, and it's important not only to have those parts, but they be precision and they be quality, because someone's life may be in the balance. But to see that there are career fields that you can take the skill sets that you have, the education that you get in math and science, technology, engineering, and put it to use for something that is not only important for our community, but also for our nation, our national security, and have a rewarding career in something that makes such a big difference.
I like the machine where they got the laser, like they programmed the laser, and they encoded like letters and words on a metal plate, and it was cool how they just had to like program it and design it first, and then just press a button and the machine will do it for you. And it was a wonderful experience to see all the different machineries and different workstations, and how people use a lot of digital software and machines and a lot of technology to do modern stuff.
These machines would turn a big piece of metal into good shape. Well, yeah, it was fun coming here, and then also seeing how they would use a room to paint the metals and how would they use the temperature, everything just to get it perfectly right.
Our ultimate goal today was to help bring relevance to the classroom, as well as help students understand career-related options in STEM fields.